Hello, hi guys. Welcome you all to the DevOps Delight YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another task of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge. I am here on the Chrome browser. Let me type engineer.kodekloud.com/practice. Hit enter. I directly got this task's UI because I attached my password and username. In your case, it may differ. It will prompt you to enter your username and password. Once you have given those details, you will also get the same screen as like me. Let me click on the start button. As part of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge, today we will see day 64 fix Python app deployed on Kubernetes cluster task. Let me click on the start button. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the video here for a while. Okay, we got our task. First, let me read the task, then we will look into the solution. One of the DevOps engineers was trying to deploy a Python app on Kubernetes cluster. Unfortunately, due to some misconfiguration, the application is not coming up. Please take a look into it and fix the issues. Application should be accessible on the specified node port. The deployment name is python-deployment-execution. It's using Paraka/flask-demo-app image. The deployment and service of this app is already deployed. Node port should be 32345 and target port should be Python Flask app's default port. Note, the kubectl and jump host has been configured to work with the Kubernetes cluster. All right, so by default, I am here on the jump host. First, let me click on this app here on top right. Let's see what will throw us. So it is throwing 502 bad gateway. That's fine because we are having some misconfiguration here, right? As I mentioned in the task. First, let me see what what are all the resources that we have in our Kubernetes cluster. Kubectl get all. We can able to see one pod, two services, and one deployment, one replica set. All right. So deployment is 0 by 1. It is not ready. Image pullback off. So if you see in the pod, we can able to see status as image pullback off. What I will be doing is first thing first, let me do the kubectl describe pod and the name of the pod. This is the one. Let me copy it, paste it here, hit enter. So if we see the event section, error image pullback off, fail to pull and unpack image. So Paraka Flask app demo let test. Fail to okay. Repository does not exist or may require authorization. Insufficient scope. All right, so let me go and see what is the image. See, image is Paraka Flask app demo, but they told us that Poraco/flask-demo-app is the name. So let me edit it. Kubectl edit. So we are not supposed to edit it on pod because we don't have the pod, but this pod is managed by the deployment resource. So we need to edit on the deployment itself. Let me copy the name, edit deploy, and name of our deployment. Come all the way down to the image. So here is the one. Here it should be Flask demo-app. So let me remove it. Press I. Demo-app escape:x enter. Now let me do the kubectl describe pod. So kubectl get pods. So pod name will be changed. See, since this is managed by the deployment, right? So for every time whenever we redeploy our deployment, so that time part name will be changed. Container is in creation state. Let's wait for a while. What? It is running now. Control C. Kubectl get pods. It is one by one running. Now let me see for website. Still 502 bad gateway. Right. So we fixed our deployment. Now let's come to this our service. Kubectl get SVC. Right, Kubernetes is the default one, but this is related to our deployment. So let me check this one. Copy it. Kubectl describe SVC and our service name. Here you can able to see target port is 8080. Node port is 32345. Okay, 32345. Target port should be Python Flask app default port. So what is Python's default port? Let me ask in the internet. What is target? What is the default port for Python Flask app? So it should be 5000 guys, but here they have given 8080. So probably this could be the issue. Now let me edit it. Kubectl edit SVC and our service name. Enter. Come all the way down to the target port. So here is the one. Let me edit it. Instead of 8080, let me make it as 5000 and see if it works. Escape :X, enter. Now let me do the kubectl describe SVC Python -service -exfusion. Now it is target port is changed. Now let me refresh our app screen. Yes, hello world py something. So this is what the content inside our image. So as we have completed the task, let me click on this check button to validate our work. Click on confirm. Yes, we did it right. Congratulations. That's it for this video, guys. See you in another video with yet another task of or 100 days of DevOps tasks challenge. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.